Now let's take a look at our AUDJPY, a quick analysis on our AUDJPY. Starting with our daily time frame, now we can see that on this our daily time frame, I think for some days now, we are having this bullish move on our AUDJPY. Our higher highs here, we got our higher lows, which is our impulse move, and we've actually had another higher highs, which very much likely will continue to go bullish on our AUDJPY. And to get it, we need to highlight our key level here. We can see our key level here, which is our resistance level. Our price go to this area and dropped here. We can also see the price reacted to this area and dropped, and sits here also, it came to this area and dropped. We very much likely going to see that price move to that area and drop. So on this our AUDJPY, we are actually going to be aiming to go bullish on our AUDJPY. And another reason is that our JPY index is actually dropping. So once we see that index dropping, then very much like any pairs relating to our JPY, we actually started to go bullish. Now let's take a look at our JPY index. Right, on our daily time frame, we are actually on a bearish move here. From here, we can also take here, let's zoom it out, we will take here as our resistance and here as our support. Our price got to our resistance level and it's dropped. It got to our resistance level, it's dropped, and it's also hits our resistance level and it is giving us that drop. So we would want to see it drop to this our support level here, where we saw the price came here and bounce up. It also came here, bounce up, came here, bounce up, and very much likely going to drop to this level before we see that bounce up. So exactly once we start seeing that drop on our JPY index, then our AUDJPY will continue to give us that bullish move. So above all, our JPY index is still bearish on our daily time frame. 4-hour time frame, I think it's starting to give us a pullback, and if it's equally give us a pullback, then we will see it pullback react to this area here, give us a pullback to this area and drop. And if you are to analyze it from here, in case it give us a pullback, that will be a pullback of 40 pips. So I mean, not much movement upward, so we will see a 40 pips movement upward before we actually see a drop. So once we start getting that drop on our JPY index, very much likely we would see a bullish move on our AUDJPY. Now let's take a look at it on our 4-hour time frame. Still an uptrend move, by the way. So if you want to take the trade, you can wait a little bit, see a pullback around this area here, then a continuous bullish move on our AUDJPY.